Drone fail. We'll see if we can get it another day. I've officially embarked on my drone quest. The quest of a boy and his toy continues on our ways to the Droney. Ancient rock wall. We're getting closer to Droney. I really pray Droney is just over the horizon. I'm on the phone with Michelle. I've just found the GoPro. This is where I am. Home, where Michelle's gonna pick up. Can't believe I found both items. Michelle at the top there, waiting for pickup. Me here. I arrive back to civilization. This is the end of our tale. Lock and load, boys.